And welcome back to this channel, and today we're looking at TradingView's private chats. You see, the contents of private chats are only visible to yourself and the user or users in the chat. While TradingView encourages you to participate in public chats and share information there, sometimes you might want to go deeper into a certain topic with a particular user. No user can join an existing private chat without being invited. Now, if you want to open a list of recent private chats, you can click on the icon, this chat icon, in the dock on the right side of your screen. Messages will be sorted by most recent. A red number will indicate if and how many unread messages you have. Now, if you get messages from moderators, any direct message from moderators, including warning or banned messages, will be sent as a private chat. It is important that you regularly check whether you have received any. Now, how do you start a new private chat? There are several ways to start the one. First, you can click the message button on the profile of the user or in the pop-up that appears when clicking on a username in public chat, or by hovering over a username in idea comments. The second way is by right-clicking on a message in public chat and select Send Private Message to. How to add additional users to your private chat? You are offered the opportunity and the possibility to add or remove additional users to your private chat. How? You can click on this button. You see the button on the top of a chat window. It helps you manage the participants in the chat. Type the first letter of the username to show a list and click on the username of the person you want to add. Removing is simple as clicking the X sign next to the username. Now, what is in a private chat message? The content of a private chat message are the same as for public chat messages. The options when using private chats are quote this message, permanent link to the message, and ignore username. Now, quote this message means this will include the message in your reply. Optionally, you can click the quotation marks that appear when you hover over the message. We also have permanent link to this message. This will open the chat message in a window from which you can copy the link to that particular message. And lastly, ignore username. If you don't want to see the messages of a particular user, you have the option to ignore that user. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful.